Kalua means to bake in a ground oven, also to bury or a pit. So when you say Kalua pork, you mean a pig cooked underground. This style of cooking is one of the most ancient in the world. Today, the Pacific is still the most common region where these techniques are used. In Hawaiian, the underground oven is called an imu. In Samoa, the umu is very similar, but usually the meat and vegetables are cooked above ground. The basic idea is to simultaneously smoke and steam the meat, so the pork comes out with the texture of pulled pork and the flavor of barbecue. The pit we're digging is about 4 feet deep and 10 feet across, enough for a bunch of families to put food in.
You drop them first, then you cut the top.
One of the key ingredients in making an imu are banana stalks. They provide the necessary moisture inside the pit so the food doesn't turn into char.
Oh, right on the banks. Yeah. Why you guys don't come help so I don't destroy my yard?
Use a machete to slice them in half and then bust them up so all the layers come apart. Once you've done that, it's time to set the pit with firewood. The stones have got to be porous so they don't explode. We got these from the Wailoa River in Waipio Valley.
Got them a little low right here.
Tea leaf is one of the most important plants in Hawaiian culture, and they're fundamental to any imu.
Banana gives the moisture so the food don't burn. You regulate the imu by the banana. And the tea leaf gives it the flavor. The burnt tea leaf makes the flavor. One more. So pretty.
In addition to the pig, we're putting whole fish, chickens, kalo root, and sweet potatoes too. After a full afternoon of smoldering, it's time to snuff out the fire with your banana stalks. Then, you layer all the food on top and cover it with the tea leaf.
My God!
Get a cooler full of sheets and soak them so they're totally wet, and then you're going to cover the entire imu with those, and finally a plastic tarp on top of that. Then you bury the edges in the ditch, soak that again with a hose, and you're ready to let the imu go all night, and you'll see it again in the morning.
I was like, that's Lewis's genes coming out.
Yeah. You gotta watch them, they're funny, you know.
They're funny. Aww.
Because she's doing so well.
That's good.
That's what it's all about. Better. And then making different things better.
Everybody has a different idea of how to